हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू द यूट्यूब चैनल इंग्लिश फॉर द मोबाइल फ़ोन। मैं रवि दितलिया आपके लिए लेकर आया हूँ डेली यूज़ हिंदी इंग्लिश वोकेबलरी विच विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू टू enhance your English vocabulary as well as your English fluency. So don't forget to watch the video till end. Let's start with the first vocabulary word. The first word is because. It means क्योंकि. The next word is behind. It means पीछे. The next word is enough. It means पर्याप्त. The next word is enter. It means प्रवेश करना. The next word is journey. It means यात्रा. The next word is knock. It means खटखटाना. The next word is light. It means रोशनी. The next word is need. It means आवश्यकता. The next word is normal. It means सामान्य. The next word is often. It means अक्सर. The next word is speak. It means बोलना. The next word is talk. It means बात करना. The next word is turn. It means मुड़ना. The next word is unique. It means अनोखा. The next word is visit. It means दौरा करना. The next word is various. It means विभिन्न. The next word is wish. It means इच्छा. The next word is wrong. It means गलत. The next word is valuable. It means मूल्यवान. The next word is usually. It means आमतौर पर. The next word is sweet. It means मीठा. The next word is near. It means pass. The next word is kind. It means dayalu. The next word is door. It means darwaza. The next word is use. It means इस्तेमाल करना. So guys, thank you for watching the video. Please like, subscribe and share the video for more vocabulary words videos.